truckload of liquor being served to people at a public place at a program held by BJP MP K. Sudhakar to thank the voters. It's gone viral on social media. Nearly 150 cases of beer, 50 cases of whiskey were distributed to people at a public place. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar in fact says their party president J.P. Nadda must answer to this, and further added that it is the BJP's culture that they've served liquor to public time and again. Let's first up hear it from the Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar.
Nadda ji, the national president, I don't want the local leaders to reply to it. I want the BJP president, national president to just reply to it. And it is the culture of the BJP.
Are you booking case, sir, because there is a violation of excise case, sir?
That is the next point. Next point. First, let the party answer to it.
Let me go across to my colleague Akshara joining us with more details. That's the BJP raising questions with the Karnataka government that, the Deputy CM must come out and explain this. But tell us a little bit about these videos that have now gone viral on social media. What do they tell us and what questions must be now asked given, the manner in which liquor is being distributed in this manner, Akshara?
Well, you see, from what we are learning is that this incident, the program was held at Nelmangla, nearby to Bengaluru, and this was a Thanksgiving program that was being jointly held by the BJP and the JDS, where the BJP leaders and the JDS leaders had arranged this particular program in order to thank the voters for electing BJP candidate there, Dr. Sudhakar, to the parliament. So that was the program that was being held there. You had BJP MP Sudhakar along with the leader of the opposition from the BJP, R. Ashok, and various other leaders, the BJP MLAs present there, and at this particular venue, non-vegetarian food was served, and along with it, as we can see in the visuals, a truckload of liquor was being served. From what we are learning is that 150 cases of beer, 50 cases of whiskey, and other such of hard liquor was being served to people at the open public there. So that's the latest information what we are learning that has taken place, and the Karnataka state government, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister and the Karnataka Health Minister have taken a strong objection to this particular liquor being served at a large scale. The Karnataka Home Minister questioned the BJP MP and the BJP leaders. Is this their culture to serve liquor at open public? Even Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister is seeking answers from J.P. Nadda regarding this action by the BJP leaders. On the other hand, we have to wait and watch what other details will emerge, whether they are taken permission from the excise department or the police officials there in order to serve large-scale liquor at that particular place, because what you are learning is that many people had passed out. Almost 50 to 60,000 people were present there at that venue. So we'll have to wait and watch what other details will emerge, whether BJP MP Dr. K. Sudhakar will come forward and give a statement regarding whether he was aware about this or not, because it was a BJP and the JDS joint.
And like you've been pointing out, Akshara, of course, the Deputy CM was the first to raise those questions, not just with the BJP leadership in the state, but also the BJP National President J.P. Nadda. But tell us a little bit about this event. You're telling us a gathering of thousands of people. This was all pre-planned, of course. And the allegation that's coming to the fore as far as these videos go is that this was a wait for the BJP MP to thank the voters. Is that what you're also learning?
Well, yes, absolutely. No, this was jointly held by the BJP and the JDS, organized by both the parties. And at that particular program, you had Dr. Sudhakar, BJP MP, and various other BJP leaders and JDS leaders were also present. And yes, this was a program that was being held in order to thank the voters, a Thanksgiving program that was being held by the BJP and the JDS. And at the very same time, non-vegetarian food was organized, and it was expected, as we are learning from the sources, that more than 1 lakh people were supposed to gather at this particular event. But almost 50 to 60,000 gathered, and as you can see in the visuals, a truckload of liquor was being arranged for people who had been gathered there. And as you can see, many people went forward, they took the liquor, they consumed the liquor there itself. Few of them were seen passed out at that particular venue. So yes, it has become a major issue right now. We'll have to wait and watch what the response from the BJP will be regarding this, as the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has questioned J.P. Nadda himself, and is also expecting answers from the BJP leaders regarding the large-scale distribution and serving of liquor at a BJP JDS event.
Okay. Akshara, many thanks for joining us with the latest. We'll come back to you as and when we do hear from the BJP. Come out with an explanation on what really transpired and what allowed the Bharatiya Janata Party to distribute liquor in the manner in which it did.